Kindly clarify and explain the statement. Is Lasmid, or did Lasmid say he's the biggest artist in Ghana?
Actually, I'm just someone coming up. Why would I say I'm the biggest artist in Ghana? You know what I mean? So I think it was put on me. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it was put on me.
As in the questions now.
Yeah,
okay.
it was put on me to be the biggest artist. And I took the question as, okay, so I have the biggest song right now. So I think it should be a biggest song, not the biggest artist.
So that's what you said?
Yes.
Oh.
So I took the question as the biggest song.
Not the biggest
I
artist?
answered in biggest song way.
Okay.
But I think if Ghanaians,
yes, please do.
Why the say obi a one fan ye na or fan different mission on fan chem. Man kedem me the biggest artist because me bottom kofo and I'm just now coming up, you know. So I think you have to forgive me if the answer say them me fan there. I have the biggest song right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.